Axia Solar is committed to helping you every step of the way. We aim to make it easy and stress-free to switch to solar power. This is how our process works. First, we help you with deciding the solar system that suits your needs. After your purchase, it's time to prepare for installation. We will finalize the design of your system and obtain any necessary approvals for construction. This includes conducting a site survey of your home to gather necessary information and handling the permitting process with your local authorities. We will guide you through the process and handle the complicated parts, but you will need to sign off on certain documents. Once we have obtained all the necessary approvals, it's time to install. On the morning of your installation, your foreman will walk you through the plan for the day and let you know where the crew will be working. When work is wrapped up, we'll leave your home better than we found it and coordinate an inspection by the local building department. The final step is to obtain permission from the utility company to switch on the system. Once these steps are completed, your home will be running on solar power. So, now that you know the process, you can start making a difference today by going solar with Axia.